Monte Carlo goes EFI.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for hanging in with us. This is going to be episode 2 of the Monte Carlo SS going EFI. It's come a long way, you know. As we go ahead and go forward with this video, we're going to do a little bit of a recap of what we did here in episode 1, followed by everything additional we did in episode 2. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks guys. Alright guys, just to kind of give you a little heads up of what we've done so far. So you do not see this big gigantic hat on it anymore. Step 1 was definitely to go ahead and get that removed. As you can see now, we also moved that 750 Edelbrock carburetor off of there. So there is the inside of the YN supercharger. We're just basically getting things stripped down. We do have a little bit of a coolant leak, which we will go ahead and address. But stay tuned, more to come. Wow. That's all I'm gonna say. Not too terrible. A lot of wiring. Devo D did a lot of the wiring on this car. We're basically at the point where we're just rerunning some vacuum hoses to the back of the I keep calling it a carburetor because it looks like a carburetor. I've only known carburetors. But to the back of the fuel injection system right here, as you can see. We're working on getting that port right there taken care of. We already have everything ran to the battery. Next step after this is going to be putting the Monte Carlo back up on the lift using a step bit and then drilling the bung for the O2 sensor. Still waiting on a couple of parts from Tech. Hopefully they'll be here by the next time we go ahead and get this video going, but this is definitely going to be a two-parter, guys. Thanks for hanging in with us. So basically what Devo D is doing right now is we needed to find a place to actually put the electric fuel pump. Again, going back to when you're kids, right in the engine bay is not ideal. So here we are, cutting fuel lines.
Yeah, okay,
All right, guys, thank you for hanging in with us for episode 2. We are still currently waiting on some parts, and they literally just showed up yesterday. So we should have everything that we need to go ahead and get this Monte Carlo fired up for the first time. I'll show you what we were waiting on. Again, thank you for you guys taking a look at the content. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Anybody that has any experience with these EFI kits, definitely go ahead and leave that comment down below. Definitely appreciate it. Thanks again. But let me just kind of show you what some of the stuff that we were waiting on, and I'll give you a rundown of what you can expect in episode 3. All right, guys, so here is the current status of the Monte Carlo right now. Still kind of taken apart. We do have some stuff underneath here that needs to get buttoned up so we can go ahead and do our first fire up. But these are the parts that I was waiting on. So I did need to get a little bit more fuel line. Was able to go ahead and get some through JEGS. But this was it right here. So we will go ahead and do an unboxing on episode 3. And basically what this is, it's just it's a universal kit from Edelbrock, an EFI kit. I was waiting on one from Hypertech, but I was hopeful that it would have shipped on time. It originally said it was going to ship on July 9th, hoping that we would go ahead and have this set up for episode 2, but unfortunately that didn't happen. And now they're back ordered clear to September. So if anybody has any experience with these, definitely feel free to go ahead and throw that down in the comments. But it looks like for the most part it's plug and play. But stay tuned for the next episode. We're going to go ahead and we'll do an unboxing on that as well. Thanks, guys.